Imagine a world without electricity, a world where you can't charge your phone, watch your favorite show, or even make a cup of coffee. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, let me tell you a joke. Why did the computer break up with the internet? Because it had too many connection issues. Now that's a world without electricity for you. Now let's dive into the top 8 appliances we all would miss if the grid went down. At number 8, we have the refrigerator. A world without cold drinks and ice cream? No, thank you. The refrigerator, our faithful friend, keeping our food fresh and our beverages frosty. Without it, forget about that chilled soda pop on a hot summer day and say goodbye to saving leftovers. Moving on to number 7, the air conditioner. For those of you who live in the scorching deserts or the sweltering tropics, this is your knight in shining armor. A life without the sweet relief of a cool breeze at the touch of a button. I shudder to think. Next, at number 6, we have the washing machine. Oh, the humble washing machine, our unsung hero. Without it, we'd be stuck scrubbing clothes by hand like our ancestors did in the Dark Ages. And let's not forget about the added arm workout. Who needs the gym when you're hand-washing jeans? At number 5, we have the microwave, the savior of late-night snackers and leftover lovers worldwide. Without this magical box that turns cold pizza into a gourmet meal in 30 seconds, we'd all have to actually cook. The horror. Number 4, the television. Without it, how would we keep up with the latest reality TV drama or binge watch our favorite shows? We'd be left to our own devices, literally. And speaking of devices, at number 3, we have the computer. Can you imagine a world without internet, without instant access to information, without memes? It's a chilling thought indeed. Coming in at number 2, the hairdryer. For those of us who value our sleep and can't wait for nature to do its thing, the hairdryer is a godsend. Without it, we'd all be walking around with wet hair, and let's not even talk about the bad hair days. And at number 1, the coffee maker. Imagine a world without coffee. Now that's a scary thought. This magnificent machine that turns water and coffee beans into liquid gold is the unsung hero of every early morning and late night study session. Without it, we'd all be, well, a lot sleepier. So there you have it, folks. The top 8 appliances we'd sorely miss if the grid went down. Makes you appreciate the little things in life a bit more, doesn't it? So let's recap. In a world without electricity, you'd be stuck with warm drinks, sweaty summers, hand-washed clothes, cold food, no entertainment, no internet, bad hair days, and worst of all, no coffee. Imagine this, you'd be sipping on a tepid soda instead of a frosty one. No air conditioning means you'd be inventing new ways to fan yourself in the sweltering heat. You'd be scrubbing your clothes by hand like in the olden days, with no washing machine to do the dirty work. The refrigerator, your food's best friend, would be out of commission, leaving you with unappetizing cold meals. Your television, laptop, phone, all those screens that keep boredom at bay would be rendered useless. Your hair, oh your hair, it would have to go au naturel without your trusty hairdryer or straightener. And the internet, the gateway to the world, would be inaccessible. But the real kicker? No coffee. That's right, no morning caffeine jolt to kickstart your day. But hey, at least you'd have plenty of time for some good old-fashioned conversation. Just make sure it's during the day, because remember, there's no light.